Grandpa Angelo, can you say your name?
Yes.
I tried to fix your headstone. Can you see it? Yes. Definitely better.